Everybody, thanks for tuning in. Uncle Buck here. Hey, we got the motor out, got it on a stand, got the pan off for initial look, and she looks pretty good, but we're gonna replace everything that touches oil or water, so pump, bearings, at least reseal or overhaul the motor. We're deciding on a full rebuild, but here she is on the stand, ready to go. Let's take a look. She came out pretty easy. Here we go. That's about as nasty as I expected. It's the oil pan off the 72, but upside, no chunks of metal and no shavings, so that's good.